line of graph has no slope. Ax plus b is a line, has slope a, and the derivative at any point is the slope. Line slope is never changing, it's a, so that's our derivative. The rule for x to the n is the n comes out in front, and we have x to the n minus 1 power. So the power will come out to the front, and we will subtract 1 from the power. E to the x is its own derivative. There's our easy one, e to the x. E to the ax is a e to the ax. Derivative of natural log of x, 1 over x. If you had a log of some other base, use the change of base rule to write it as a natural log. You'll have natural log of whatever your old base is underneath, and that will simply ride along. Derivative of b to the x, natural log of b times b to the x. F plus g, the derivative, and another way of writing derivative is prime, so we're aware of both of these methods, f prime plus g prime. Also works with minus, so f minus g would be f prime minus g prime. Product rule, multiplication is product, so we have a product here. Derivative of the first times the second plus the other combination. I don't care what order you do them in, because both multiplication and addition are commutative. They can move. So you could have this one first or that one first, and the order here doesn't matter either, but you need both possibilities, derivative of f times g and derivative of g times f. Now the order will matter on this one because there's a minus, and obviously subtracting a minus b, b minus a is a different answer. Bottom times the derivative of the top minus the top times the derivative of the bottom over the bottom squared. Low d high, high d low, square the one down below. Constant times a function. So this is different from this because we're just assuming that f and g are always functions of x. They're things that change with x. And k, when we've used it, means a constant. Because constant doesn't start with k, but it sounds like it could, I guess. So it works for me. Constant times f prime, the derivative of f. And the chain rule. Chain rule has to do with composition. You have a function of a function. The rule works like this. Derivative of f evaluated at g of x with no change, is not g prime in there, times g prime of x. We will use all of these rules in derivative practice number 2 coming up, but you do need to know all the rules in order to apply them. So not a lot of conceptual thinking going on here. Simply make sure you've memorized all these rules so we can use them in our future work. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.